Hello, welcome to an e-demo on BIRS Reporting in victorWeb. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at how to set up and run a BIRS report from the victorWeb interface. So let's first of all go up to the setup menu and we will choose reports to configure our report. I'm going to choose the plus icon here and you'll see that that opens up a new report in the right hand pane, and I'm going to go ahead and first of all give my report a name. I could also give it a description there if I wanted to do that as well. I'm just going to move down to the report type section, and you'll see if I expand out the report type drop down, we have two options in there. So we can choose a retail report or we can choose a BIRS report. So let's choose BIRS, and then that's going to change this second drop down here to contain just BIRS reports. So what I'm going to do is just select rejected access report because that's what I'm interested in. But you can see we have a number of options of types of BIRS reports which we can run there. Okay, so that's going to expand out the parameters section for me, and I can go ahead and type in the door name which I'm interested in. And if I was interested in a particular person, I could type their name in there as well. Okay, so let's move down then to this date and time section. And if I expand that out, you will see that we have two further options in there. We can choose from a predefined time period to run this report on. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to choose last 24 hours, or I could choose the custom radio button there and select a custom start and end date and time for this report. Okay, so let's move down to the schedule section, and you'll see we have this option here to add a schedule to this report. If I check that box, you'll see we get a number of fields there which we can configure so that this report runs automatically on a schedule. Just going to uncheck that there. I'm just going to make this not a scheduled report. And then finally, if I wanted to email the results to anyone, I could choose this add email checkbox as well. I could choose from one of my predefined email templates there, or I could create a new email specific to this report. Again, I'm just going to uncheck that box and I'm going to choose save to save that report, and you'll see it's gone over into this list on the left hand side, and I can select it and bring up the information about it. Okay, so to run a report then, I'm going to go to the monitor menu and I'm going to choose reports, and you'll see we have a two-pane view. On the left hand side we have a list of all of our reports, so that's the one which we've just created, and on the right hand side we have a list of all reports which have already been run. So let's select our report. I can go ahead and choose the run icon here, and you'll see that that creates a new entry on the top here in the right hand pane, and that is our report which we've just run. And I can choose this button in the preview column here, and that's going to open up the report results in a pop-up window in victorWeb, and you'll see we have that PDF report formatted with all of the information which we require. Just scroll down, you can see all of that data there. And what I can do is I can either cancel and just close out this box using the cancel button, or I can choose download. That's going to go ahead and download that PDF to my browser's default download folder.